Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decorative Dream. I hope you all are fine and enjoying my videos. Today I have came with new, unique and simple henna designs for you. These all designs are easy and applicable. You can easily apply on your hand. I have collected all these designs for you so that if you are liking my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. Mehndi is a art. If you are enjoying my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay friends, I hope you will like my video and enjoying with all these mehndi designs. We will meet soon in my next coming video. Thank you so much. Okay, take care.